Hi, this video is to demonstrate how to create a merge action that sends an email with a document attached. This is a report that I've run. I'm going to click the merge mail button just so you can see the different types of merge actions that are available. There's a regular document output, address label format, which is also really more of a directory style output, a spreadsheet, an Excel spreadsheet merge. You can send an email with a document attached, which is what I'm going to demonstrate, and an email with a spreadsheet attached. I'm actually going to show you an existing email merge action. So I've selected the existing action. I'm selecting edit this action before running it. You can see that it is the type is an email with a Word document attached. I click next, and here is where I select my document template, if applicable, a conditional template, and I'm also prompted to select my email template here as well. These are coming from the standard Salesforce email template object, but they can also be managed within within Apsona. Sorry. What I mean by that is email templates is an object that you have access to in Apsona. So I can select an existing email template, click that email template button, and I could actually edit the content, the text of that template here. Or if I needed to create a new one, I can click add here. However, the interface is a little condensed, so it might be easier to just go back over to Salesforce and create a new one here. You just have a little more, it's a little more intuitive. There's a little more space for the actual content. So once you've selected your email template and also the related email address fields, the field from your data source, meaning your report, of what email address message should go to, then the sender, and you should be able to choose from any of your org-wide email addresses. Want to make sure you include a reply to if applicable. Then I click next, and here is where I would map all the fields from my report, from my data sources to my template, including if I had any in my email template. In this case, it was just the greeting field, so I need to map that as well. So I need to make sure I include that greeting field in my data source report. I click next. There's some options for if I want to save that email in the activity history. If there's an attachment that I want to add in addition to the file that I'm generating, I can do that here. Or if I'm running this in test only mode, I want to make sure I click this test only option and choose that as well. So then when I click save and run, it is generating the document and attaching it to an email. Just a side note on this test only option, back at the very first step, when I select the merge action, I do have the ability to run the merge action in test mode from here too. So I don't need to go through the wizard for all of that. And that is how to create a merge action with an email.